So there's this amazing new way I discovered which I'm excited to share with you. In today's video, if you're the type of person who is constantly watching videos about how to make money online, this fresh new strategy will be ideal for you. How much money do you think you'll be able to make? Assume you can earn up to $5,000 each month simply by sharing links. If you think that's a leap, consider my earnings from using this strategy. I've only been doing it for a few days and I've always been able to make this much money. Imagine how much money we could make if we did it for a month. The earning potential with this innovative new strategy is enormous. Also, I'll be giving you a bonus tip later in the video, so stay tuned. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, take a look at all of these campaigns right here. We'll be using these campaigns in order to make us some money. I'll be showcasing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to earn from this, so keep on watching. Now, don't worry because this website is available in all countries around the world, so wherever you are right now, you will be able to earn money from this. What I like about this is that even if you have zero experience and doing online jobs, you can very much earn from this because this strategy, which I'm about to show you, is 100% beginner friendly. The website that we'll be using in today's video will be this one called Kickbooster. Now, don't rush to the website because I'll show you how to use this platform correctly so you don't make any mistakes and can make more money with it. This is the link to their homepage. Hover over users right now and click affiliates right here to get to this website where you can learn more about becoming an affiliate marketer on this site. You may receive incentives for sharing your favorite projects right now on this page, and you can use Kickbooster to create unique affiliate links to your favorite projects and get paid for every successful pledge that comes through your link if you scroll down below. You may also post your affiliate links on your blog, social media, email, or anywhere else you choose and earn commissions. The more you share, the more you earn. Now, isn't that a terrific way to earn money? You can see the method for becoming an affiliate marketer for this website by scrolling down further. It's as simple as 4 steps, and I'll lead you through them so that you may make a lot of money from this website as well. So, to begin, you first need to sign up for a free account. You'll need to create an affiliate account in less than 2 minutes, and you don't have to pay anything. The next step is to pick a project to promote. As I've shown you in the beginning, they have a lot of projects that you can choose from and earn money from. You can browse through their marketplace to find awesome projects to share, and then you need to spread the word. You can then generate a unique affiliate link with a click of a button and share it with your network. You can share it wherever you want on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any social media of your choice. Lastly, when you've done all of the previous steps, you can sit back, relax, and wait for your commissions to come. It's truly that simple. If you think that was fast, don't worry because I'll be showing you a step-by-step tutorial later on so that you'll not get lost. Okay, so you'll need an affiliate account with Kickbooster, and all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the website and click on the purple Sign Me Up button. After clicking that, you'll be brought to this page where you can join up as an affiliate marketer. Simply fill in the blanks with your information, and don't forget to check the box to agree to their terms and conditions. To finish the sign-up process, click on this box where it says, "I'm not a robot," and then click on the Submit button. With that, you now have an affiliate marketer account on Kickbooster. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. After creating an account, you will now be redirected to your very own dashboard. On this dashboard, you'll be able to see how much money you've earned so far from your affiliate links. Since this account is brand new, there are no earnings yet. But after you watch this video, you'll be able to see that $0 turns to 100, then to 500, then $1,000, and so on and so forth. The next thing to do right now is to look for projects to promote. To do that, simply click on Marketplace, and then you'll be redirected to Kickbooster's Marketplace. So when you try to scroll down to this page, you'll be able to see that some of the projects that are available on Kickbooster, on the left side you can choose which category you want to see. The Kickbooster Marketplace is full of products that you can promote. They have beauty and personal care products, design, education, everyday carry, fashion, food, games, health, home goods, outdoors, sporting goods, technology, and travel. Simply click on any of these categories to see the available projects. Okay, so the categories which I've tried and tested are design, health, and technology. These three categories have products that you can promote and they will give you a lot of commissions. So click on these three categories and then Kickbooster will show you the products under these categories. As mentioned at the start of the video, I'll now give you a bonus tip. So in this drop-down menu which says Sort By, I want you to choose on Commission High to Low, because in that way you'll be able to see the products that give a high commission when you promote them. After you choose that, Kickbooster will now show you the products with the highest commissions. When you scroll down to this page, you'll see these products that give you a very high commission. You can see that these products will give you somewhere between 20 to 30% in commissions, and for me that's quite a big amount, and you don't have to do a lot anyway. You only need to share the affiliate link and wait for people to click on that link. Then they will give you your commission. That's pretty sweet. So now we need to choose a product. You can actually choose anything you like, but for this video, I'll be choosing this product since it has a high commission percentage. Now when you click on the product, you'll be redirected to their landing page where you can see more details about it. As you can see, they will give you 21% commission of every dollar you help raise for the campaign. I'll now click on this View Campaign button in order to read more about the project. I do think this is actually a great product and a lot of people will click on it when you share this to them. The great thing about this is that you don't actually need a lot of people to click on your affiliate link in order to earn money. You just need around 3 to 4 people and you'll be able to earn a good amount of commission already. To start promoting this product, simply click on this button and you'll be given a special affiliate link which you can copy and share to other people. Now you might be wondering, where can I share my link? Well, don't worry because later on I'll be showing you some different traffic sources where you can share your link, and I know that a lot of people are on these websites because I use them myself. So the first website with a large amount of traffic is Quora.com. Now I've mentioned this website before and I'm sure you're already familiar with it. What you need to do on Quora is simply search on new technology and you'll be able to see people who are talking about this topic, and these people will be interested if you share the product you found on Kickbooster with them. You can just react to any of these posts, talk about the product you discovered, and then share your affiliate link with them. The second website is Facebook. I'm sure many of you have Facebook accounts already, and you can use it to market your affiliate link there. You can join any of these groups by searching for technology enthusiasts on Facebook and clicking on Groups. You can then communicate with the members and use your affiliate link to share the Kickbooster product with them. You can do this over and over again because Kickbooster has so many things to pick from. You'll be able to earn your commissions in a matter of days and spend them as you choose. Before we go, our website for today is Kickbooster. Simply go to kickbooster.me, follow what we showed you, and earn money rapidly. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.